At the core of every organization's digital transformation journey, we believe is building a deep understanding of customers by centralizing key data and infusing AI-driven insights into business processes. Today, I'm super excited to announce Dynamics 365 Custom Insights, our newest addition to the Dynamics 365 portfolio. Customer Insights enables every organization to unify disparate data, be it transactional, observational, or behavioral sources, to gain a single view of the customer, ultimately helping them derive insights that drive key business processes. Let me show you how organizations can realize the full potential of their customer data across key personas, specifically business users, analysts, and administrators. I'll start with the business users within your organization. Customer Insights provides the most comprehensive and 360 view of a customer, enriched by aggregated audience intelligence from Microsoft Graph. These 360 views of the customer are AI-infused insights and can be embedded contextually right into the business processes and applications in use every day in your organization, such as Dynamics 365. We also enable you to adapt and extend these experiences using our rich APIs and the Power Platform. This includes the ability to gain deeper customer insights with Power BI, build custom apps with Power Apps, and trigger workflows based on customer actions and signals using Microsoft Flow. Next, for the business analyst persona, Customer Insights becomes the source of truth for customer data and insights in an organization. This includes the ability to discover high-value customer segments or define new ones on top of that 360 view of the customer. Beyond that, Customer Insights enables powerful AI atop the 360 view of the customer and enables you to predict customer intent. This includes the ability to build and run custom machine learning algorithms using Azure ML or using quick start templates such as for customer churn and next best action. Next, for the administrator, Customer Insights radically reduces time to value to bring together all of an organization's disparate customer data and unify it. You can connect all of your customer data with ease, including transactional, observational, or behavioral data from various sources by leveraging our connectors to bring data into Custom Insights. Once that is done, we provide an intuitive experience to unify all of that customer data, at the core, allowing to create unique identifiers across systems where keys don't exist, again, leveraging the power of AI behind the scenes. And this is all just the beginning. We will rapidly innovate and add new features and updates in the future based on customer feedback. Thank you so much for your time and interest in Customer Insights. We're really looking forward to all of you using it to spark and accelerate your unique digital transformation journey. Thank you.